Jieyang City. HUAQIANG Metal Industry Company Limited is located in Jieyang City, Guangdong Province, China, which covers an area of over 16,000 square meters. With a history of 30 years, we are specialized in manufacturing various stainless steel tableware and kitchen tools. We integrate research, production, and sales together, and we accept OEM and ODM orders, so every unique idea from you will come true with our help. We have independent import and export rights, BSCI Factory Audit Certification and SGS Factory Quality Audit Certification. Meanwhile, our products pass LFGB and other related tests. We have been regularly cooperated with some famous brands for many years, for example, Kaufland, Aldi, Casino, Casa, ECT. Our products are deeply impressed by our clients who come from over 30 countries around the world. With advanced equipment, excellent technicians, and professional production management, we also use fully automatic production lines to ensure efficiency, strict QC team to ensure high quality. Furthermore, we have convenient transportations. It takes only 10 minutes to Jieyang high-speed railway station and about 40 minutes to Taoshan airport from our company. We are committed to become an excellent company in China household industry. By keeping improving our quality and service, we look forward to work with more international clients. We are confident that we will become your trusted partner. Thank you very much.